Step into the world of Morris Chestnut, the man with the legendary washboard abs and the unforgettable Ricky from the iconic 1991 film Boys in the Hood. But hold on, there's more to him than just Hollywood glam. At 55, he's rewriting aging rules. And what's his secret? Brace yourself, because Morris will be revealing the secret to having a sexy body. And boy, you're going to be shocked when you hear how he takes care of it. Get ready for an inside look into Morris Chestnut's fitness journey as he shares insight on how he defies the hands of time to maintain that jaw-dropping physique. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that more videos like this continue to come. He's also sharing the 4 mystery foods that are crucial in keeping him looking ageless. That's what I was eating before he graced the silver screen. As a celebrated actor, the spotlight of his sculpted physique did not shine until his 40s, when a pivotal role in The Best Man ignited a fiery determination to sculpt a new and transformed version of himself through fitness. Morris enlisted the help of his now personal trainer, Obi Obadike, and to achieve the required body for the various projects he worked on. The transformation was remarkable. In months, he went from weighing 200 pounds to a lean 175 pounds. This experience marked the beginning of a fitness style that Morris has maintained ever since. Beyond his acting prowess, Morris is celebrated for his well-defined, ripped abs with the ladies. Maintaining his fitness level involves a versatile routine, adapting to various environments and settings. Morris did not just transform his physique, but sculpted it into a work of art with the guidance of his trainer. Beyond the glitz of his acting career, Morris is hailed for his enviable abs that leave everyone in awe. His fitness routine is as versatile as it gets, seamlessly adapting to the settings of his home or the gym when he's sweating it out at home. He kicks off with a lively rhythm of jumping jacks, delves into core crunching moves like bicycle crunches, and wraps it up with an energizing cardio burst. His gym routine covers all bases: upper body strength with bench presses and shoulder presses, lower body endurance with squats and lunges, and core stability with planks and twists. But let's not forget the arms. Morris spices up his bicep and triceps workouts with a mix of dumbbells, resistance bands, and bodyweight exercises. Cardio isn't a chore for him. It's a playground with basketball and a showdown with battle ropes. In Morris's world, balance is everything. He follows the 80/20 rule. It's not just about the workouts, it's a holistic lifestyle. Morris Chestnut is a living embodiment that finds the perfect balance between nutrition and exercise is the key to long-term success. This principle underscores the importance of maintaining a healthy and well-rounded approach, where dietary choices complement the dedicated efforts in the gym. Morris shares the keys to a healthy and vibrant life through his 4 secret foods: the magic of healthy fats, the energy-packed goodness of healthy carbohydrates, the muscle-building power of protein, and a cheeky cheat meal that fits snugly in your palm. Uncover the secrets to fitness success. In his latest book, The Cut: How to Lose 10 Pounds in 10 Days, a dynamic collaboration with his trainer Obi Obadike that's guaranteed to add some zest in your wellness journey. But at other times, when he is not getting ready or fine-tuning his body for a scene, he goes haywire on food, losing his discipline. Morris wakes up every morning by 3:30 a.m. and gets an early start on the day. He takes his first meal of the day, which is a simple protein shake. He breaks his fast after he's finished with his workout. He would have oatmeal, banana, eggs, and fish oil. His meals revolve around lean protein and healthy fats, and this is exactly what he tells everyone to eat for better health. Whenever he is having nuts in his meal, he goes for the unsalted nuts. He avoids salted nuts because they are saturated with fats, which he considers unhealthy. For dinner, he goes for chicken breast, broccoli, and sweet potato. Other times, he goes for asparagus instead. He eats broccoli with whatever food he decides to eat that day. Later in the day, he eats some strawberries and blueberries. On some days, he eats a lot of bread, but whenever he prepares for a roll, he cuts them entirely out of his diet. He sets reminders on his wrist watches, and he says this simple tweak has helped him over the years. Eat better and healthier. Morris's favorite protein shakes are chocolates, and according to him, the secret to making a great protein shake is that it has to mix very well for a cheat day. He goes for a cheeseburger, and he does this especially when he is on set and needs something quick. As someone who has seen the incredible benefits of keeping fit and how it transformed his life and career, Morris decided it was time to inspire and motivate people into fitness, especially using his platform as a celebrity.